everybody. So today this is my simplicity. And I'm only a kid and I have this one right here. We're going to go right back over here and we have this one right here. It's John Deere 160, 1985 when it was built. Battery's dead on it. Doesn't turn on. This one, in effect, does turn on. We just turned it on yesterday. Yesterday, it literally started smoking. Like, legit smoking. So, down here, there seems to be nothing wrong down here. There's the muffler stuff. Inside of there. Can't open this up because this hood isn't the best. There's the engine. Kind of can see it, I guess. The lights actually, in fact, do work. I have this cover that you're gonna put on your engine when you're on it, but my dad doesn't care about that. But here, just bought this battery for 39 bucks, and this battery looks really good. Oh, you have your gear shifter. Got the keys. There was a little toy telephone. My neighbor broke it off. Now it's actually bent, if you can kind of see. Then you have your air brake. It's not air brake. Sorry, I know a lot about buses too. It's basically it's parking brake. Sorry about that. Then you have your blades. Now up is on, down is off. Then you have a light switch. Now this is off, this is on. Then you have your deck height. Then you have your brake, clutch, and pedal to make it go and to turn it on and to stop it. This is built in the USA. Oh, we have the throttle and the choke all the way up. Right there's the choke. Bad wheels. We're getting tubes. We're gonna get some front tire tubes for this, cause look how flat this tire is. Kind of can't really see it, but kind of see it go down. Yeah, you can kind of see it stretch out there, watch. Kind of can. It's not the best angle, but it's definitely something. Now this actually does run. I already explained that. It runs really good. The blades do work on it. It has 3 blades, 44-inch deck. Now this one in particular, I don't know. This is rusty and half of like the deck woods are missing on it and stuff. So I don't know what it says. But underneath they have this rubby seat. We're never gonna like change anything on this. This is like not really gonna be getting used. We're gonna get rid of this. Now you can twist that. Ah, smells like gas. Yeah. Ah, smells like gas. And then you have your gear shifter here. Gotta change that. Like that. Your parking brake, you have the steering wheel. You got your blades. Turn those off. Key. Throttle here. And then all the way up is choke. Now this is for the deck. See? Not really twisting the brake. So now it wants to run good. So I'm gonna try to lift up this hood so you guys can see the hood. And the hood. There we go. Have your oil. Good. Battery. That's a good. This battery. Well, not really a battery. This light keeps falling out. I'll just leave it out. Have this. Don't even start. Maybe this top part for this to get, for the rest of the motor to get covered up. Oh, we have this little air filter. Or is that the? I think that's the oil filter. Or is that the air filter or the gas filter? I don't know. Not the gas filter. One fun fact too, and silly weird fact, is that there actually is a filter for the gas. It actually like flows around with the gas in here. It's like placed inside of there, but it's like loose. Like it swishes around and like moves around with the gas. But yeah. That's it for right now. I would show you guys the engine on this. There's nothing interesting right now. Right back here. A little piece of glass. I don't know where this came from. Why is this in over here? What's that there? Okay, I could promise 100% that I did not throw these. But, ooh. This is it. Snap off. That kind of like this plastic piece. See what kind of, oh, it's davits. Is that what it says? Davits? I don't know, but that's my favorite drink whenever we go to this Mexican place. It's like the only drink that I get there. I could actually have the Mexican store that sells those. I guess it's probably dangerous. Yeah. Alright, well, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.